You know, when the markets go up and down really fast, you may have noticed this can cause a lot of damage to your accounts quite quickly. Good for the prop firms, not so good for you. Well, I have three simple but not so known techniques that can help keep your account safe. So let's get into that right after the intro. I decided to do this video in two parts for a couple of reasons. One, I don't want the video to be too long, and two, it's kind of late and I want to finish part one today and get it out. So as I was saying before the intro, the volatility's gotten a little bit crazy since Trump has been elected, and a lot of blown accounts. Great for the prop firms, not so great for us. So I want to tell you guys that the first and most important setting that you guys need to put on your platforms is a PDLL. A PDLL is a self-imposed restriction on how much money you're going to be willing to lose in a single day. And a PDLL is so important that you should watch this video 5 times if you have to in order to figure out how to get it set up, which is what I will show you how to do on Tradevate, our trader, which is Rhythmic, and Topstep X. But just make sure you get it done. Once you hit your limit, you are stopped trading for the rest of the day. This is the amount of money you're willing to lose for a single trading day. So think of it like setting a budget for shopping. When you've spent your limit, that's it. You got no more money. Your wallet's empty, and don't take out your credit card. Listen, guys, a PDLL protects your capital from oversized losses for the day. It prevents your impulsive, emotional decisions from turning your small losses into huge losses. It gives you time to step back, analyze what went wrong. It allows you to reset mentally, and it maintains discipline in your trading process, and most importantly, it keeps your account alive for another day. You don't blow your account in a single day. Successful trading is about capital preservation. Your PDLL helps ensure you have capital tomorrow to continue trading, because that's what this game is about. So I'm going to walk you through setting it up on Tradevate. I'm going to walk you through setting it up with Rhythmic. So even if you are with NinjaTrader with a Rhythmic connection, you're going to do it through Rhythmic. And I finally am going to show you how to set it up with Topstep X. But we are going to start with Tradevate. So in Tradevate, you first need to click on those 3 thingamabob lines in the top right corner. I have no idea what those lines are, but you click on those and it brings you into the settings for the risk settings. Click on the risk settings. That'll bring you into the risk settings for each account. This account over here is a PA account with Apex. It's a $150,000 account, $5,000 max trailing drawdown, and I set my daily loss to $600. A lot of people have 50K accounts, so let's look at the 50K account. For a 50K account, you have $2,500 of trailing drawdown. In my opinion, a conservative, reasonable PDLL for someone who's new at trading should be about 2% of your total risk capital. So that's about $50 per day. You trade the MNQ, 1 micro lot, it's $2 a point. That gives you 25 points to lose in a day. If you lose 25 points, you quit for the day. I don't see any reason why you should trade higher than that if you're learning how to trade. And you shouldn't even be thinking about making money. You should be thinking of learning how to trade. And this is a learning experience. And setting it at 2% is going to keep you in the game and prevent you from quickly blowing your account. More experienced traders, 10%, 11%, 12%. That's a good starting point. It does increase our risk of blowing the accounts a little bit quicker because we have a minimum of 10 trading days before this happens. Not 10 trades, 10 trading days, because this locks you out. But anyways, whatever it is that you set it at, any limit that you set it at, you strictly adhere to it. You do not reset it in frustration once you hit it and then go blow your account. It kind of defeats the purpose. So in Tradevate. Once you set it, you go down, you click save, and that's it. Rhythmic, open up your Rhythmic and click on the trader dashboard icon. The trader dashboard icon is going to open up. You're going to have this little confirmation screen, something about time settings. I don't know, just click OK. We're not making adjustments to time settings. When you click OK, you're going to be in this screen over here, and you get to change the risk parameters by right-clicking on an account, not left-clicking, right-clicking. It's going to open up this screen. Select the top line item, view risk parameters, and that's going to get you into a screen where you can change the risk parameters by trader. That's the third tab on the right. See, risk parameters set by the trader. That's the one that you're going to click on, which brings you into a screen where now we start entering the data in for our personal daily loss limit. The first box that we need to click, double click, triple click if you have to. Sometimes it's a little finicky. Click it so that you can see the two choices, enabled and disabled, and of course you choose enabled. Same thing with the auto liquidate criteria. Double click it, triple click it, just keep clicking it until you see all the options, and you're going to choose loss limit. And then with auto liquidate threshold, you click the amount. And again, this is a 150K account, so it is set to 600. All you do after you've set that, I'm just showing you those three sections. After you set that, you go click apply, and you are done with Rhythmic. That's how you set it in Rhythmic. What about Topstep X? Topstep X is relatively easy. With Topstep X, you click the gear over there. That's going to open you up into the page. If you're not already on risk settings, you click the second tab, you have the risk settings. Then we look at these two sections over here, the personal daily loss limit, PDLL. This is a 50K account, so I set it to $300. The PDLL action in this case is liquidate and block, which means I can't trade anymore. And finally, click the save button. And that's it. You're done. So there you have it. That's part one for today. Set your PDLL and you'll be much safer when the markets get wet, wild, and crazy. Okay, guys, if you like this channel and you like the content that I'm putting out and you want to see more of it and you want to start learning for free, you should subscribe. So hit the subscribe button. And also, I'd love to if you can come out and check my live stream. I start streaming every morning at 9:15. Come and say hi, stay for an hour, stay for however long you want. Whatever's good for you is good for me. Thanks for watching. I will come up with part 2 in a day or so. And as always, keep trading responsibly, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.